Folds. A fancy guide for fancy rolling. Hello and welcome. If you're watching this, it means one of two things. Either you've just returned from the plug and are feeling optimistic, or, once again, your girlfriend has declined your advances at rolling and politely requested that you let her do it instead. Both situations are understandable. First, decide where you normally place your tip, left or right, whichever you've made peace with over the years. There's no correct answer here, except, of course, the one you've chosen, which we'll politely ignore. Once you've settled on a side, remove that small section of the gum line. No need to be heroic. This is very much not the part where legends are made. Fold the paper down the middle 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and on the 4th, you're really just guiding it neatly back into the gum line. Nothing dramatic. If you'd like a smaller or slightly thicker tip, remove a bit more of the gum line and add 2 more folds. This step is optional, though some of us do have standards, and we're quietly judging you. And that's it. You are now ready to roll a proper joint or spliff. Clean, straightforward, without hunting around for a tip like some burned out unk. Congratulations. Try not to panic.